Welcome back to the channel, man. Look, this is, oh my god, this is embarrassing. Literally still in my work clothes, right? We got 1 second, I'm gonna change. So you want to be a Forex trader. I understand why, and I don't blame you at all, because I understand that trading can be, once mastered, because it's not easy to do or easy to master, but once mastered can be the most lucrative way to make money. And I mean that with everything. I've been doing this for 8 years and I've never made money as fast, as easy, as simple as I have with trading. But here's the thing, there's a lot of trading secrets that they don't want you to know and they will not tell you. But the good news is, Mr. MambaFX will, because I'm for the people. 2026, 2020, fucking, that was stupid. Forex trading secret number 1 that they will not tell you. Every single pair has a matching session and it must only be traded during that session. So whether this guy or that guy tells you, you can trade GJ during London session, you can trade it during New York session, trade it whenever you want. US 30, trade it at New York session, trade it at London session, trade it whenever you want. And that's false. You do not trade US 30 during London session. They are meant to be traded during their relative sessions. So GJ's traded London session, 12 o'clock PST, which is midnight, or 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time every single day. You do not trade before that. You trade once that clock starts and you go from there. Here's another thing. US 30 and NASDAQ. Trust me, I've been trading it for 2 years now. Very profitable, very successfully. This is what I do. I make a lot of money trading those pairs. I traded GJ for a few years as well. I made millions of dollars doing that as well. So trust me when I say stick to the relative session. Only trade them at New York session. NASDAQ and US 30, that is. 6:30 a.m. is when it starts. Be prepared around 6:20. Give yourself 10 minutes to check the market, see what's happening, get ready to trade. And from 6:30 to about 7:30, 8:30, you're going to trade US 30 and NASDAQ. That's 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. Okay, keep that in mind. Here's another little secret that they won't tell you. In fact, they'll tell you the opposite. Scalping is much, much more profitable than swing trading. And I'm gonna tell you why. The Forex markets are already manipulated as super manipulated. The banks are going to manipulate price, and when they do so, they're going to destroy you. And let me use this as a good example. Why would it make sense to go into a casino where the house already has the favor, they have the edge, and sit there for 3 days straight and continue to give them money and continue to watch them destroy you? Why does that make sense? When you can go in there, get in, get out, go home, have your money, made your money, you're happy, you go on with the day. Does that make sense? The longer you spend time in the markets, the longer you're going to get destroyed. The more you're going to get destroyed. They're going to take advantage of you. When you scalp, you're getting in and out during those perfect key moments. Like I said, 6:30 a.m. for NASDAQ US 30 or GJ, do it at London session, but get in and get out. Scalp, find that breakout, find that push, find that volume when it comes in, and as that volume comes up, get out once it's done. Too many times will a swing trader get into a trade and wait 2 days, 3 days, even 8 to 10 hours. I consider that a swing trade. That's too damn long. That's way too damn long. They call that day trading. I call that bullshit. Get in, get out. Repeat that with me. Get in and get the fuck out. I've watched people hold trades for 2 days. Oh, this trade's going so good. So reversed. At least when you scalp, if it reverses on you, yeah, it sucks. You take your loss. You move on. Okay, tomorrow I'm gonna try again. But you even gotta sit there all day and manage these trades and go to your computer and sit on your computer for 10 hours and manage and manage and manage and watch it fuck you in 8 hours. There's no point. Scalp. Get in and out. I've done it all. I've swung trade, I've day traded, and I've scalped. I've never made more money than when I scalped, and it's not even close. Here's secret number 3. A winning strategy is not hard to find. In fact, I've taught my strategy for free. Over the past years, I have taught everything that I know for free. Go on my channel, watch my strategies. I'll teach you how to scalp the New York sessions. I'll teach you how to scalp London sessions. I'll show you exactly what you need to do, what time frame, what session, how to trade, indicators, tools, whatever you need. I have it. It's all on my channel. You don't got to go nowhere. You got to pay no course fee. It's all free. So watch those videos and you'll have a great strategy. But that's not what's the problem. What the main problem is psychology. Most people, if not all people who are not successful in the industry, are struggling with psychology. Have you ever noticed that when you trade a demo account with the same strategy that you use on a live account, you're successful, you make money, things go good, things are great? Why is that? Because it's the same market moving every single time. Nothing changed. If it went bullish on a demo, went bullish on a live account, so why are you losing every time you get to a live account or a funded account? It doesn't make a lot of sense. What does it come down to? It comes down to psychology. And while we're on the topic of funding accounts, funded accounts are a great way to make money. ClarityTraders.com has got you covered. We have the best prices, the most reliable accounts, and you will get paid out fast. And not only that, we're now offering 100% payouts. So if you make $1,000 on an account, you get $1,000 on your account. We don't keep nothing. Check it out, man. ClarityTraders.com. Get started. Again, we're just here to help you. That's all we're here to do. It's backed by me. Anything goes wrong, you message me. I got your back. But it's psychology that holds a lot of people back. And that's okay. It's going to happen. That leads me into trick number 4. And I know this might sound crazy. Everybody who trades long enough will become successful. You will become successful. If you trade long enough, you're going to figure it out. But here's why 99% of traders don't figure it out. They quit. They quit too early. Trading is not easy by any means. And psychology is extremely hard to master. This is your brain. This is something that's telling you, no, I can't do it. This is the hardest thing to overcome. And that goes into anything. You want to work out, you want to get in shape, you want to be an NBA player, football. This is the hardest part right here. Telling yourself you can do it. Not quitting, not giving up too early, because when you give up too early, you fail. But if you're losing, and you're losing money and you lost another funded account, you didn't fail. You're just on your journey to being successful. Well, it took me 3 years to become profitable. But why did I become profitable? Because I didn't quit. Because I kept giving my all. And eventually it clicked. And it will click for you as well. Listen to the tips I'm giving you today and don't give up. And then you'll see. So look, it took me 3 years to become profitable. 3 entire years I dedicated to this industry just to become profitable. Just to see my first profitable week. And yeah, that sucked. It did. It honestly sucked. And I know you probably don't want to wait 3 years. Here's the good news. You don't have to. I didn't have a mentor. I didn't have someone to look up to. I didn't have somebody holding my hand. If you want a chance to work alongside me and my team, now is your chance. We have opened up a special program just for you. We're going to be taking a certain amount of traders, turning them profitable in less than 75 days. Profits are guaranteed. You're going to be getting a funded account, all kinds of cool stuff. We don't do stuff like this very often. I don't do stuff like this very often where I actually take you, hold your hand for 12 weeks and teach you how to become a trader, guarantee that you become profitable, and then let you out into the real world with a funded account. That's not very common for people to do. We're doing it very limited time. Click the link down below. JoinCurrencyCave.com. We're going to get you right. We're going to teach you how to get there fast. And of course, it's not needed. If you want to be successful, you don't need it. I have free courses and free everything all over the place. You can learn on your own. But if you want to jumpstart and speed up the process, we'll get you there fast. Otherwise, keep on going. I know you got it regardless. No peer pressure. It's just an option for you. Now here's secret number 5. And this is something that I guarantee nobody will tell you. Data matters. And it matters way more than you could ever imagine. So let's say you have a strategy, such as the one I developed, where I'm sweating right now. I am sweating talking to you guys right now. Within my strategy, I trade breakouts. And I trade them at 6:30 a.m. every single morning, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Every time I see a breakout, I enter my trades, and typically we do win. But here's the thing. How do I know when to exit those trades? That's the difficult part. How can you be sure that it's not going to reverse on you at this point or that point? Data. Data backs all that. I go back on the last 8 trading days, 4 and 4. So that's Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday, the last 2 weeks. And I look at the data at 6:30 a.m. every morning and I analyze, what did US 30 do? Oh, okay, so it pushed for 60 points, 600 pips. Oh, okay, the next day it pushed for 350 points. The next day, 76 points. Okay, let's take the average of the last 8 trading days and see where we are. So in the last 2 weeks, we're averaging around 80-point movements. Now when I enter my trade, I'm gonna adjust my stop loss accordingly, and around 80 points, I'm either gonna put my stops to break even if I wanna get a little risky, or I'm gonna close my trade because that's the average zone it's reversing at. The markets do the same things over and over again. Understand that. So if the markets are always doing the same thing, why wouldn't you go back, look at the data, analyze, calculate some numbers? It's not that hard. I mean, it takes a little bit of mathematician, Nick, but you can do it. You can see what the averages are and put yourself in a better position to catch good moves and make real money. If you want this as bad as you say you do, then you'll go back, you'll back test, you'll calculate data, and you'll do what I'm telling you to do. And you're gonna see a huge difference in your trading. Now, I've never talked about this online, but it's the way it works. It's the way it works. The markets follow past data. They do the same things over and over again. And if you're able to catch that, if you're able to analyze, you're going to make a lot more money and get out while everyone else is staying in that trade and losing. You're gonna get out and people are gonna be like, how'd you know to get out of that trade? Magic. You tell them it was magic. You don't tell them it was mama. You don't tell them it was data. You tell them it was fucking magic, and you watch your money grow. Because trading is all about probabilities. And if the probability of US 30 hitting an 80-point move is very high based on the past data, well then guess what? Why wouldn't you put yourself in a position where you're gonna get out at the highest probability chance of it reversing? It's that simple. Again, I do this. I've been doing this for a very long time. If you guys want to watch me trade live every single day, go ahead, hit the link in the description to follow my Twitter account. On my Twitter, I'm posting. On here, I'm posting shorts. You guys will see all my live trades every single day. Every day I post a live trade, win or loss. I'm posting them all. I'm showing you guys what I'm doing, showing you the account flip, showing you guys that I do this shit. And I don't charge you $1. It's all free to watch. So watch the replays and enjoy them. I appreciate you guys. I don't got really a lot else to say. The best broker ever down below, funded down below. You want to join me on the currency cave and the blueprint, and you want to learn how to trade and kickstart your journey, I got you guys with that down below. If not, it's no pressure. You got this regardless. I know you do. I believe in you. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And thank you for coming back for another video. And I'll see you next time. And peace. And what's up? I'm going back to work.